Hi everyone, welcome back to another round of phonics. We're going to continue for the last time working on our diphthong and looking at the ow sound spelled O-W or O-U and O-U, sorry, I apologize. So again, whenever you see these spellings in these set of words, it's going to say ow. What's it going to say?
Ow.
Ow. What's it going to say?
Ow.
Ow. And so for this one, since it's the last one, I threw in a mixture of things, and I just realized I caught it. Miss T was like so good about reminding me earlier. We're going to go ahead and blend, not sound by sound, not syllable. This is going to be whole word blend. Now I drew the syllable scoops underneath so it can help you. But teachers, you're the model, so I'm having you trying your best to do that whole word blending. So again, students, you're thinking about the rules and the blending techniques that we've learned so far, and now applying them as we read them. Teachers, when you're ready? Line 1, 3, 2, 1.
Grouch.
Crouch. Sloucher. Voucher. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Grouch.
Crouch. Sloucher and voucher. What did you notice? Yes, Miss T.
I noticed the ouch sound spelled O-U-C-H.
O-U-C-H, 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 and O-U-C-H. Awesome sauce. Anything else that you noticed? Yes, Miss Hernandez.
I noticed the spelled E-R at the end of the last two words.
Very good. So we have the R control vowel at the end, and it's also landing on that second syllable on its own. You are correct. Let's jump over to line 2. Remember, whole word blend, not syllable. 3, 2, 1. Devour, work hours, cornflower, ourselves. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Devour, work hours, cornflower, and ourselves. What did you notice? Teachers, when you're ready, and remember, boys and girls, you can hit that pause button, give you more think time. All right, let's go ahead and start with Miss Yakimowicz. What did you notice, Miss?
I noticed that we have our spelled O-U-R, which is a sight word.
Is it though?
Yeah, our.
That we did this week.
Oh, you are correct. And I wanted to go ahead and point out here that we are looking at double use of that U. In other words, the U has two jobs here. It's OU making the ow sound, but it's also UR, which is an R control vowel. So it has a double job. And we've seen that before where we have our vowels serving two jobs in a word. Okay, now that we know that, let's go ahead and think of other things that you may have noticed. What else did you notice? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
I noticed the or spelled O-R in work hours and cornflower.
Very good. So we have work right here has or, corn, and that's about it. And how many syllables do we see here, group? 2. Very good. 2 syllables. Let's jump over to the last line. And I really love this line. Let's go for it. 3, 2, 1. Bow wow. Bow wow. Pow wow. And
Chow.
chow. Okay, for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Bow
wow.
Pow
wow.
Chow wow.
Chow chow.
Chow.
All right.
Chow.
Chow chow. All right, let's go ahead and figure it out. What did you notice? Yes, Miss T, what did you notice?
I noticed the ow sound twice in the word spelled O-W.
Yes, so we have O-W here, O-W here, O-W, 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 and O-W twice over in each word. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
They are two-syllable words.
They are two-syllable words. All right, awesome sauce. Not anything else between that first and second word? You notice that W and that W, that W and that W. Remember, when you see two consonants next to each other, it signals a break in syllable. for the most part. Let's go ahead and jump now to our sentence. Remember, boys and girls, for the last time, you're looking at this sentence and thinking about how many words are in this sentence that follow the sound or make the sound ow, spelled O-U or O-W. Teachers, take a moment to think about it. Don't show it yet. In 3, students, you can pause, 2, and 1. How many words did you find? Awesome. Wow, Ms. Hernandez. Let's get started with you. What did you find as the ow sound?
Grouch.
Grouch is that first word. Ms. Yukimowicz.
About.
About. Very nice. And it also has a schwa. Ms. T.
Work hours.
Work hours. And again, we look at that you having a double job there. All right, teachers, you are the model. Can you reread these words? What is this?
Grouch.
Grouch. What's this?
About.
And what's this?
Work
Hours. Remember, the rest of these words are either blendable or high frequency words. Boys and girls, ready? Teachers, 3, 2, 1. The man was a grouch about the long work hours. Miss Yakimowicz, for the very last time, can you reread that for fluidity?
The man was a grouch about the long work hours.
And Miss T, for the last time, can you scoop it for us?
Man was a grouch about the long work hours.
And Miss Hernandez, for the very, very, very last time, is it decoding time?
No, it's encoding time.
It's encoding time. Yes, please grab that whiteboard marker, pen, pencil, paper, journal, plus you know what to do. This is the last time we do this, boys and girls. Here we go. If you need the scaffolds, go ahead and write the scaffolds in. Otherwise, go ahead and write as I dictate back to you. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest lets me know. Awesome sauce. Here we go. First word, 2-syllable count. The word is trousers. What is it? Trousers. Ow, trow. Sirs. Ow, trousers. Teachers, go ahead and show me. Yes, the R control vowel is ER there. Next word. The word is announce. What's the word? Announce. Watch it. Schwa, a, n, an, ow, nounce. Schwa, a, ow, Go ahead, teachers. Announce. Beautiful. That is a schwa A. Very nicely done. That means that A is going to give the sound. The next word is house. What's the word? House. 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 Go ahead, teachers, when you're ready. Yes, Miss Yakimowicz, you got that right? Yes, teachers, you got it. Next word. The word is frown. What's the word? Frown. Frown. When you're ready. Awesome sauce. Let's keep it going. Second column, 2-syllable count. The word is louder. What's the word? Louder. Loud. 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 Go ahead, teachers. Louder. Awesome. Keep it up. Next word. The word is outside. What's the word? Outside. Out. Side. Out. Outside. Go ahead, teachers.
Where we can't go.
I know. Excellent job. Keep it up. Next word, compound. What's the word? Compound. Com. Pound. Pound. Go ahead. Compound. Excellent. OU is correct there. Next word. The word is thousand. What is it? Thousand. Ow. Bow. And sand. Out and thousand. Go ahead, teachers. Thousand. Yes, TH is the digraph we're working with. And then the next word is proudly. What is it? Proudly. As in, we're going to finish this very proudly. Here we go. Proud. 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 Proudly. Teachers, go ahead. Awesome. That Y is spelled, or is the E sound at the end. All right, we're down to the sentence. Again, Last time you see this, remember, if you need the scaffolds, go ahead and write them down. Hit that pause button if you need it. If you feel very confident in yourself that you don't need this scaffold anymore, go ahead and write as I dictate or say the words for you. Teachers, awesome sauce. I see Miss T is ready. Miss Hernandez is ready. Oh, Miss Yakimowicz is ready. Let's get started. The word is the, and here we go. House. 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 The house had 1,000 and thou and 1,000. Next word is trousers. Trow sirs. Sorry. Trousers. For sale. A-O. Again, the sentence reads, the house had 1,000 trousers for sale. Teachers, go ahead when you're ready. Yes. Perfection, you guys. Awesome sauce. And remember, boys and girls, it's okay to make mistakes. You did such a phenomenal job this year. Online distance learning is not easy. Thank you so much for trying your very best now and always. All right, boys and girls, bye.
Bye.
And just for kicks, don't forget to subscribe.